Good afternoon, Earth. So, welcome to our continuation of the discussion about permutation and combination. So, this is just the continuation ng ating discussion kahapon na hindi natin natapos. So, paki-pause yung video if ever may mga mabilis na part na kailangan nyo intindihin. So, since video ito, pwede nyo siyang i-pause or paulit-ulitan. Okay, so again, for the permutation, this is about an arrangement of things in a definite order. It is a way in which a set of number of things can be ordered or arranged. So kahapon, na-try na natin mag-solve ng mga problems about permutation. So mahalaga lang dito, dapat alam nyo if the problem is about permutation or combination. Because compared to combination is a selection made from a group of items without regard to their order. So ibig sabihin, pag permutation, kailangan ina-arrange yung mga bagay na pinag-uusapan, or we need to determine the number of ways of those things to be arranged. Dito naman sa combination, hindi natin kailangan or hindi importante yung kanilang order o yung kanilang arrangement. It is just about combination itself. Okay? So, first things first. So, let's start from permutation. Okay? So, I have here an example of permutation. So, let's start with the permutation. Syempre po, yung wala mo ng repetition. Ito yung pinaka-typical na permutation na makikita natin across the internet or across your book. So, ito yung pinaka-starting point. So, let's start. So, for number 1, okay? So, ayan, pasensya din sa aking background. Medyo maingay. May electric fan and also may mga noises outside ng aking kwarto. Okay. So, Jake, Cyrus, Charisse, Luca, Sabrina, James, Cade, and Rustin are taking water skiing lessons. In how many ways could they line up for the ticket booth? Okay, so before we start, let's analyze or let's understand first the problem itself. So dito, may mga magkakaibigan na gustong water skiing lessons. So sila Jakes, Cyrus, Charisse, Luca, Sabrina, James, Cade, and Rustin. So ang tanong dito, in how many ways could they line up for the ticket booth? So madali lang to. So ang tinatanong lang dito, ilang posibleng set of line na pwede nilang mabuo with regard to their order. So, syempre, for example, ang unang nasa pila si Jake. Then, after that, si Cyrus. Then, we have Charisse. Ito yung default na kanilang pila. Pero, ang tanong dito, in how many ways could they line up? So, pwedeng si Luca naman yung nasa unahan. Ang sunod niya, si James. Then, followed by Cade. And so on and so forth. So, ang tanong dito, in how many set of lines can they form themselves? So, first, let's count the number of people that we are talking about. So we have Jake, Cyrus hanggang kay Rustin. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 8 friends na ila-line up natin. So since this is a permutation, so mahalaga yung kanilang order or mahalaga yung kanilang arrangement. Therefore, this is permutation. So ang gagawin natin dyan, we have 8 people na pinag-uusapan, and then they have to form a line. So kung makikita natin, wala tayong kailangang i-select out of these 8 people. Wala tayong kailangang piliin kung sino yung ililinya natin. So therefore, lahat sila kasali sa ating gagawing line. So therefore, in your calculator, you have to press 8, followed by yung inyong button for the permutation, yung NPR, and then after that, it's again 8. Because kung makikita natin, lahat sila kasali doon sa line na bubuin natin. So this is a permutation of 8 people taken 8 people at a time. So therefore, ang gagawin natin dyan, you just have to press in your calculator this, no? Then after that, check natin yung inyong sagot. Actually, mayroon namang formula dito, di ba? Ang formula dito is yung n factorial. Okay, n factorial over n minus r factorial. Ngayon, kung gagawin natin siya manually, this is 8 factorial over 8 minus 8 factorial. Okay, so this is 8 factorial over 8 minus 8 is 0 factorial. So, FYI, 0 factorial is 1. And 8 factorial, you can solve this manually or you can just put it in your calculator. This is 40,320. So, therefore, your final answer is what? This is 40,320. Okay. So, you can do this manually or you can just use your calculator. Let's check if we use calculator like 8, then yung NPR, then press again 8. So, yun. 40,320. You can try this in your calculator. Okay. So, let's have another example. Okay. Next example is, a team of 10 basketball players needs to choose a captain and co-captain. So, therefore, this is also an example of permutation. Kasi kailangan pumili ng isa as a captain and then, syempre, yung kanilang co-captain o yung yung pangalawa sa kapitan or sa captain. So, therefore, meron tayong first and meron din tayong second. So, the order is important. So, let's have this. Okay? So, ito madali lang din. So, a team of 10 basketball players. Ayan. So, sulat na natin 10. And then, after that, so this is a permutation. So, ilan yung pipiliin natin? So, yung 10 basketball players, hindi lahat sila pwedeng maging captain and co-captain. Dalawa lang sa kanila. So, therefore, we just have to choose 2. Okay? So, this is a permutation of 10 players taken 2 at a time. Ganun siya basahin, ha? Again. So, this is a permutation of 10 players taken 2 at a time. Yung yung kuha natin sa number 1 kanina, pag binasa natin to ulit, this is a permutation of 8 people taken 8 at a time. So, ito sa number 2, this is a permutation of 10 people taken 2 at a time. So, ganun lang din yung gagawin natin. So, pwedeng manual, and then pwede natin siyang gawing shortcut. So, yan. N factorial over n minus r factorial. Okay? So, you can just write it down. 10 factorial over 10 minus 2 is 8 factorial. Okay? So, let's have the calculator para mas mabilis. So, 10 factorial. Okay? Taken, ayan, 10p2. Or 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial. Pwede rin ganun. Okay, this is 90. So, ayan. 90. Actually, pwede natin na dyan 90 ways. This is the number of ways kasi para pumili ng captain and co-captain. Okay? So, this is your final answer. Okay? We have another example here. So, let's read. The student body of 12 students wants to elect a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer. Again, the student body of 12 students wants to elect a president, vice president, secretary, and treasurer. So, we have 4 positions that are open. Presidente, vice-presidente, ayan, hanggang sa treasurer. Ngayon, 4 yon. So, pipili from how many? From 12 students. So, ito ay parang ganun lang din sa mga nauna, no? We have 12 set of students Okay, so permutation to ulit, hindi to combination because we need to fill up the positions. And each position ay may level, no? So meron tayong pinakamataas hanggang sa treasurer. So pinakamataas yung presidente. So 12 out of 12, pipili tayo ng 4. So therefore, this is a permutation of 12 people or 12 students taken 4 at a time. So you can just press in your calculator 10, then after that NPR, then after that, not 10, 12, after that NPR, and then 4. Okay, so this is 11,880 ways. Okay. Okay, so ito na yung ating final answer. Okay.